I'm in the process of changing the rear main seal, but I wanted to show you sometimes a forgotten O-ring that can cause a leak under your XJ. This is the oil filter adapter right there. So what the adapter does, instead of screwing the filter on directly to the block, it puts it at this angle here to give you more clearance, because this 4.0 is really a little wide, I guess, for this Cherokee. So it allows the filter to face toward the back of the vehicle. Now sometimes these leak, and so there is a kit that you can buy from Felpro to change the O-rings out of this adapter. So this is the O-ring kit. You don't need all of the O-rings. This is it's listed as an oil filter gasket, but it is really the oil filter adapter kit, ES72962. What you're going to need to change this is a T60 Torx. So what I did was I got one from AutoZone for about $5 and just popped the end out of it, because the reason you can't use the whole device is because it's too long. So if you just pop this end out of it, and you could put a wrench right on the end, and this goes into the adapter. So obvious, the first thing you want to do is remove the oil filter. All right, and that T60 Torx, as you can see, goes right in the end, right there. Okay, so I'm going to put a wrench on that and try to break it loose. Now, I think it's on here with some type of Loctite, so they're always very, very tight. So this is the setup I'm going to use. One of these pass-through ratchets, a 10mm pass-through socket, and I will take that T60 Torx bit that I punched out of there, and it fits right in here. So that will make a low-profile tool. And then, as you can see, I just use a little ratchet wrench to finish taking it off. Alright, when you get the adapter off, this is what it looks like, and it's got an O-ring right here that I'm sure is just dry rotted to heck and back. Let's see. Yeah, it's flat and very brittle. See? And this is supposed to be a rubber O-ring. And there is another O-ring inside of here, so you've got to unscrew this and pull this piece out here. So once you pull this out here, there's two O-rings on here. You see one there, and one here. That's the only three O-rings that I'm aware of. This thing comes with a bunch of them, but there might be one in here. I may take that off and look. So there is no O-ring on that, so no need to pull that one off. All right, now that I got it all clean, obviously this one goes here, and I think this one goes here, but I'm not sure which one of these go there. It doesn't look like it's got the right size. So I just took this from there, and that obviously is this one. So let's put that one on. So this little one, I think, is that one right there. Yes, this is the one I took off, and that's the one that goes back on it. Okay, that's really it. So these are the three that were removed from it. Very brittle. This one was completely brittle. And the kit, I used all but these two here. And this bolt, when it goes back through here, you want to put a little oil on this O-ring here so it slides down there. It'll also be a good idea to lube up this interior here, because when you put this in and screw it, this O-ring has to move smoothly in there. And don't forget to clean the mating surface. And the installation is just the reverse, so okay, that's it. All tidied up. It's not too hard, it's pretty easy. Just getting that big bolt out is pretty tight, so this could be a source of an oil leak for you. So I hope this little Felpro gasket set can help solve some of your oil leak problems. This is normally a forgotten O-ring, and most people don't change it, but it's not too hard to change. And this set was only it was less than $5, so have a great weekend. Hope it helps.